In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off comments on Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever listed an item and found yourself overwhelmed with the flood of comments that follow, you're not alone. Managing those can be quite a task, but don't worry, I'll walk you through the process of turning them off to make your marketplace experience a bit more peaceful. First things first, you'll want to open your Facebook app or log into Facebook on your computer. We'll start this journey by heading over to your marketplace listings. To find these, you should look for the marketplace icon. It's typically the little store icon, and on a mobile device, you can find it at the bottom or top of your screen, while on a desktop, it's located on the left-hand side of the home page. Once there, all your marketplace activities and listings will conveniently be displayed for you. After you've navigated to Marketplace, the next step is to locate the listing for which you want to disable comments. When you find it, select your item to open up the listing details. Here, you can see the comments section along with other details like the item description, images, and price. While it's easy to think that the comments section could be directly toggled on or off here, Facebook settings for controlling comments require a slightly different approach. Since Facebook doesn't offer a straightforward toggle button specifically for disabling comments directly on marketplace listings, the best way to manage the flow of dialogue is by changing your privacy settings for posts connected to the items you're selling. To do this, head to your General Settings. Once there, search for the Privacy Settings option. It's in these settings areas you'll be able to control who sees your posts and how they interact with them. One effective method to reduce or manage comments is to limit your post's audience to specific individuals or groups who you know won't comment unnecessarily, or by setting a more restricted privacy level. It may not be an outright comment disabling feature, but it helps maintain control. Another idea is to keep an eye on the comments section after making these adjustments and manually disable comments for a specific post if things get too chatty. So, while you may not be able to outright turn off comments completely through the marketplace interface directly, using these general privacy settings will help minimize the comments, giving you a bit more control over your interactions. That's it. I hope this guide has helped clarify things, ensuring your selling experience on Facebook Marketplace is a smooth one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one.